And now, lady is going to spin clockwise and get into the dip. You're going to sort of wrap into your own left hand. It's quite similar to the first rotation you did. Start with the left leg, together, again left and right. 4 steps in total, end up in front of your partner. Now, you're going to rotate until your right side is to the partner, and you're going to place your right hand behind your partner's neck on the shoulders. Your body weight is going to be on the right leg, the left leg is going to be in front of you, straighten. Now, in order to get into the pose, you want to bend your right knee, keeping your hips high. Don't throw yourself back, rather try staying in your own balance. So bend the right knee, keep the hips high, you can lead your left hand, creating a nice line. For the men, the most important part, we're not only pulling the lady to us, but we're also moving toward her, and we're leading her in front of ourselves, not into us. Gently pull while shifting your own body weight. So again, we're just pulling each other toward each other, not just dragging the lady along. Now, I'm securing the lady with my hands spread around, and then together we're switching the body weight. While the lady is taking the last step, I'm moving my body weight on the left leg and bending the knee. Avoid leaning over your partner. You just want to move to the left, keep your back straight, and then extend your arms a little bit and bend the knee if you want to go deeper into the pose. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.